Hi everyone, my name is Maria Angela Mishire Segian dengan NIM 230403048. Today in my video I will explain about ethical value in society. Happy for watching. Every day, we interact with other people in different places on the streets, in a public facility, and even on social media. To create a peaceful, safe, and harmonious society, we need more than just rules and regulation, we need ethics. Ethics refers to the moral principle that guide our behavior and help us distinguish between right and wrong. Ethics teach us to respect others, take responsibility for our action, and consider how our behavior affects the people around us. In this video, I will discuss several common situations that reflect ethical issues in society, including cutting in line at a gas station, running a red light, littering, stopping in the middle of the road, and unethical behavior on social media. This video shows drivers running red lights. Many people believe that breaking traffic rules can save them a few minutes. However, the consequence can be far more serious than the time they save. Traffic lights are designed to ensure safety and maintain order on the road. When someone runs a red light, they endanger not only themselves but also other drivers, passengers, and pedestrians. This behavior reflects a lack of responsibility and self-discipline. Ethical road users understand that public safety is more important than personal convenience. By obeying traffic signals, we contribute to a safer environment and help prevent accidents that could result in injuries or even loss of life. In the second video, we can see a person refusing to wait in line at a gas station and choosing to move ahead of others who have been waiting patiently. At the first glance, this action may seem insignificant. However, it reflects a lack of respect for fairness and the right of others. Waiting in line is not merely about taking turns. It is a form of social discipline that allows everyone to receive equal treatment. When someone cuts in line, they prioritize their own convenience over the right of others. This behavior can create frustration, conflict, and a sense of injustice among people. An ethical person understands the importance of patience and respect the order that has been established. By waiting for our turn, we demonstrate respect, fairness, and consideration for others. In this video, a vehicle stopped in the middle of the road. causing inconvenience to other road users. Although the driver may have a personal reason for stopping, the action disrupts traffic flow and can increase the risk of accidents. Roads are public facilities shared by everyone. Therefore, every road user has a responsibility to use them responsibly and consider the impact of their action on others. Stopping carelessly in a busy are demonstrates a lack of awareness and consideration. Ethical behavior requires us to think beyond our own needs and recognize that our action can affect many people around us. Today, ethics is not only important in real life, but also in the digital world. Social media has become a major part of every life, allowing people to communicate, share information, and express their opinion. However, social media is often misused. Some people spread fake news, post offensive comments, engage in cyberbullying, or share private information without permission. This action can have serious consequences, including emotional stress, anxiety, and conflict within society. One of the biggest challenges of social media is that people often forget there are real individuals behind the screens. Therefore, as responsible digital citizens, we should think before posting, verify information before sharing it, communicate respectfully, and appreciate different opinions. In the end, ethical behavior online should be the same as ethical behavior in real life, treating others with respect, responsibility, and kindness. In this video, we can see a person throwing trash on the public place. Many people consider this a small and harmless action. However, when many people do the same thing, it can become a serious problem. Littering can pollute the environment, reduce the beauty of public space, clog drain system, and increase the risk of flooding. It can also create an unpleasant environment and affect the comfort of the community. This behavior reflects a lack of concern for the environment and the people around us. In fact, keeping public areas clean is not only the responsibility of cleaning workers, but also the responsibility of everyone in society. By simply throwing trash in the proper bin, we can help create a cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable environment for everyone. Melalui cuplikan peristiwa dalam video-video tersebut, kita dapat melihat betapa pentingnya penerapan etika dan tata krama dalam nilai-nilai sosial kehidupan sehari-hari. Meskipun terlihat sederhana, tindakan-tindakan tersebut bisa memberikan dampak yang besar bagi masyarakat. Tidak mengantri menunjukkan kurangnya rasa hormat dan hak orang lain yang bertentangan dengan nilai keadilan. Melanggar lampu merah mencerminkan rendahnya disiplin dan tanggung jawab karena dapat membahayakan keselamatan diri dan orang lain. Membuang sampah sembarangan menunjukkan kurangnya kepedulian terhadap lingkungan. Sampah yang dibuang dapat menyebabkan lingkungan menjadi kotor, tidak nyaman, berisiko banjir, dan berbagai masalah kesehatan lainnya. Kendaraan yang berhenti di tengah jalan dapat mengganggu pengguna jalan lain dan memicu konflik di ruang publik. Selain di dunia nyata, etika juga penting dalam penggunaan media sosial. Penyebaran berita palsu, komentar yang tidak sopan, atau perundungan daring dapat memberikan dampak negatif bagi individu maupun masyarakat. Oleh sebab itu, setiap pengguna perlu bertanggung jawab atas informasi dan tindakan yang mereka lakukan di dunia digital. Dari berbagai contoh tersebut, kita bisa belajar nilai-nilai sosial, yaitu tanggung jawab, disiplin, kepedulian, dan rasa hormat, serta keadilan dan empati merupakan hal yang begitu penting karena membantu menciptakan hubungan yang baik antar individu serta menjaga ketertiban dalam masyarakat. Thank you for watching my video. See you!